You take it V-neck.
Okay, I'm gonna see how far it
Look at how it is.
I can't get past you. I'm gonna have to move up to a wider area. Not comfortable with that.
Do it.
He's over there. Go, go. Let's go.
Crap, we don't have any wood set up.
Crap.
We have no wood, guys.
We can set it up quick. Me and Kevin will set it up. You guys stay here. Let's go, Kevin. Set down your gun.
That's so smart.
Ready?
I don't know where he is.
We're gonna make a triangle.
They normally shoot by now.
It's okay.
Might be down there.
Don't worry. You guys are gonna have to guard us.
Do you think he's stupid enough that he's sitting in there?
He's not behind there.
No, but he shot me in the face one time from right on the other side on the trail, so be careful. He likes that spot.
Wait,
That
where?
side?
Yeah.
He can't shoot us in there. Go.
You go first. I ran here.
Okay, you gonna go right behind me?
Yes, go.
Is that all we got?
Let's let it. All right. There's another piece over there, but there's no point getting it too small. We don't have guns now. Bring our guns.
Bring our guns and come in. It's clear. Come on.
Where the frick is he?
Hold on, I need to get my gun. Let's go, Dean.
Because somebody has to have a gun, has to have a gun to cover me.
Okay, let's go. You go first.
You see him?
We're shooting. What is that?
I don't know. Somebody probably working in the backyard. Dude, where the frick is he?
Me start time? Start time.
How do you get a phone?
I got a phone.
He's on the hill? Where?
Hold on to that. What's going on now? We going to 7 or 10?
You said to.
I didn't set it to anything, just when we wanted to stop.
I don't know. We'll see how it goes. You get the kill. We'll
Should I set an alarm for it?
No. You get the kill, we'll go to 7. He doesn't, we'll go to 10.
Yeah.
We need more wood.
You mean if he's not been killed by 7?
Where is he? Did you spot him yet?
Straight up there.
He was on the hill. He's not, I haven't seen him in a while though.
Okay, get ready for the cross. Is that wood still over there?
Wood should be on his arm. I have no idea where
Is
it
it
is. Yeah, the
still-
wood's over there. Yeah, that's over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get that. You guys better cover me.
Where?
It's right over there across.
Okay.
Cover me, shoot now. Someone set it up.
Kevin, set it to wood.
What?
Set it to wood.
Oh.
I'll help you. Here, give me your gun. Help you set it.
Okay, we just gotta put it when it gets inside.
Go. No, put it this way. Should we put it in closer?
Yeah.
Here, bring it this way. Kevin, step
Put
in.
it right here. Put it right here.
Crap. Okay, that's good enough. Get down!
Where's my gun? Where's my gun? Okay, now we have no vision at all, though.
We are safe.
He didn't move from where I was shooting at him earlier, Kevin. Just so you know.
We might have now. Is anyone else gonna look around?
Here, Henry.
There he is. He's up there still.
Alright, here, Henry. Scoot. Somebody needs to
You see
get
him?
out of
As soon
here.
as you go
Straight.
back.
I know, I saw him. He ducked down.
Okay, Henry. Scoot to right there. One of you scoot to right over there, so you can shoot up that way.
Come me now. I'm gonna stay out of here. I'll probably get to be the first one killed, but
Don't worry.
I need someone else.
He doesn't have a good shot from there.
Yeah, I don't know why you're using it.
You should have
Keep
won.
watching up there. I'll watch the person over there. He's such a stink.
Make sure he doesn't cross down there.
Yeah, if he crosses, I'm happy.
If he crosses, you can just run right here.
Just watch for his head, Kevin. He'll poke up again. He doesn't like to move.
Oh yeah, he's still there. Oh, he shot him.
Yeah, he's just gonna stay there the whole time.
Is he up there?
Yeah. He's right
Here.
You just go run up and kill him.
Henry,
He could have
go-
had me there too. I didn't notice
Henry,
he shot
go
until
out
I heard
this
it
way.
hit.
Kevin, you go on that side. Both shoot at him at the same time.
I'm safe here.
I can't shoot on the left side though. I was thinking
Shoot left-handed, Kevin.
Uh-oh.
Shoot left-handed. Alright, Henry, scoot.
Why don't you grab you?
I'm down here.
Okay, I'll go down there, then you can go out there. Exactly.
Why are you guys so afraid? Come on, I'm the only one doing anything.
Because I'm standing here and I can...
I walked out and walked around.
I know, you have like a big thing
Okay,
covering.
he's still there. It's
It's
dropping. Can you see my video? That's where he is. It's dropping right in his head.
Alright, I don't have a good angle from here. I'm just going to stay right here.
Don't like your gum
He's
pointing
moving.
at my face.
He's moving. I saw a plant move. I think he's probably moving down left. Oh, what?
Grab.
They teach that.
Where did you see him yet? Yeah, I've seen him. I don't like being out here anymore.
It's good for you, son.
Builds character.
I don't want to trade.
It's true.
I'll trade a rube.
No. I regret.
Do you want to trade? VIP, you want to trade? Come out, you know?
I already know how to. VIP.
There's a perk called VIP switch.
VIP switch. Man, my legs. I heard that.
What, scream?
No, that. I heard a shot. It said left. Just said left.
And I heard it from the left.
I'm
like
watching
it
for him on
said
the
left.
lower side.
Left.
It's gonna be like.
Okay, guys, now he's probably like switched over. So
Okay, well keep an eye over there.
How much longer do we have, Dean? I don't know. I don't want to think Henry's throwing out again.